Hey there, welcome to OUAI's YouTube channel. My name is Bree Rook. I am your host. No, I'm not. Why did I say that? Today, I have a question for you. Do you know the way? Well, I'm gonna show you the way I style my curly hair. Let's take it back before these curls were popping and let me show you step by step on how I achieved this look. Step number one, make sure your hair is cleansed and damp. I find the best way to start styling your curly hair is when it has a fresh start. I use to cleanse my hair the detox shampoo by OUAI. This stuff gets my hair super clean and it smells heavenly. Then I went ahead and I used the thick hair treatment mask to hydrate my hair, and oh my goodness, this is the bomb. Here we are, cleansed, hydrated, and feeling good. We are ready to start styling. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with OUAI's Curl Creme. I have quite the fetish for scents, especially when it comes to curly hair products, because any product that I leave in my curly hair, my hair is gonna hold on to it and take it everywhere with me. OUAI has done it the right way. They have given us two options, one with fragrance and one fragrance-free. Personally, I love the fragrance of the curl cream by itself. Oof. It smells like fresh petals of roses. It's so amazing. So let's go ahead and apply this into my damp hair. Look at that thick consistency. This girl uses a lot of product, and I have to. In order to get the desired effect, I need to use a lot of product. But luckily with this curl cream, it's thick enough so you don't have to use too much. I'm gonna go ahead and finger this through my hair, make sure it gets nice, good coverage. Make sure the hair is fully covered with that curl cream. Now I'm gonna take my trusty Denman brush, the key to every curly girl's curly routine, at least it should be. And I'm gonna go ahead and pass through my hair to make sure it is fully covered. This is so important. Smooth. And man, that curl cream really helps make this job a lot easier. You would think after doing this, you'd be good, but that's just not how it works with curly hair. We've got to do some extra separation to make sure we get to the roots, and this is what I like to do. I'm gonna go ahead and just separate a small section like that. Take my Denman brush and make sure it's nice and smooth. And then I'm gonna do some fancy work with this brush. We're gonna do this. Oh yeah. This technique that I'm doing with the Denman brush just allows you to get more defined, beautiful looking curls. All right, that's looking really good. I'm loving it. I like to pull my hair forward because I have really long bangs. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it all to the front, or at least as much as I can to the front, like so. And then I'm gonna do that same technique up front. Flip up. There we go, kind of, sort of. We still have one more step, and that is to apply a curl gel. I'm using the Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls to complete this look. I don't use a lot, just a little bit, just to make sure the curls stay in place. I'm gonna take that and rub it in my hands, and then we're gonna go ahead and scrunch. My favorite part, scrunch in the curls. Then I'm gonna take my Diva Curl microfiber towel and just kind of damp the ends and scrunch while I do that to help create that defined curl pattern. There you have it. I find that I get the best results in styling my curly hair when I let it air dry. So I'm gonna let it air dry, and well, you guys don't have to wait for that at all. So let's fluff. And we are fluffed. For the finishing touch, I love to use the rose hair and body oil on my hair to help maintain shine and decrease the amount of frizziness. So I just take some, just a little bit in my hands, rub it together, smell it for good measure, because it smells so good, and go ahead and scrunch it in my hair. This is gonna go ahead and maintain the shine of the curls, the form of the curls, and help keep that frizziness down all day long. So there you have it. This is the finished look. What do you think? I love it. Thank you for tuning in and watching OUAI's YouTube channel. For more videos like this, make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below and let us know what tutorials you want to see next. It's been fun. I'm signing out, but you can find me here on YouTube for more curly content and some other fun stuff. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!